Hi, I'm Zara, and here's Tom with me. Today, we're going to talk about your daily routine at home. But wait, can you describe it clearly in English?
That's a good question. Many people do the same things every day, but when they try to explain it, they suddenly feel stuck.
Yeah, maybe you know the words, but you don't know how to connect them, and that can feel frustrating, like your English disappears.
So today we'll help you step by step from morning to night at home using very simple, clear sentences that you can really use.
And stay with us, because by the end, you will be able to describe your full daily routine at home in a calm and confident way.
Okay, let's start simple. First question for you. What do you do when you wake up at home? Think about it.
Maybe you say, I wake up. That's good, but we can make it a little longer. I wake up at 7 at home.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 at home. Nice. Again, slowly. I wake up at 7 at home. Good job.
Now, what do you do next? Maybe you stay in bed for a few minutes or check your phone, right?
Yeah, that's very common. So you can say, I check my phone after I wake up. Very simple and natural.
Repeat after me. I check my phone after I wake up. Great. One more time. Slowly.
I check my phone after I wake up. Nice. You see, already you were building a small routine.
Well, for me, I wake up and I don't check my phone immediately. I like to sit quietly for a minute.
Oh, that's interesting. That sounds very peaceful. So you can say, I sit quietly for a few minutes after I wake up.
Yes, exactly. Repeat after me. I sit quietly for a few minutes after I wake up. Good. And again.
Now let's continue. After that, many people go to the bathroom, right? Brush teeth, wash face, simple things.
So you can say, then I brush my teeth and wash my face. Very common and very useful in daily English.
Repeat after me. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. Nice. Again, slowly.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. Perfect. That sounds very natural and easy to understand.
By the way, you don't need long sentences. Just short actions in order. First, then, after that, that's enough.
Right. Simple order is key. So let's build a small story. I wake up, I check my phone, then I brush my teeth.
Now say it with us, slowly. I wake up, I check my phone, then I brush my teeth. Great job.
How do you feel now? Maybe a little more comfortable? Even small sentences can feel powerful when they connect.
Yeah, and here's a quick question. Do you make your bed in the morning or do you leave it messy? Be honest.
Oh, that's a good one. You can say, I make my bed every morning, or I don't make my bed. Both are fine.
Repeat after me. I make my bed every morning. And now, I don't make my bed. Nice contrast.
You know, these small home habits are perfect for English practice because you do them every day.
Exactly. Your life is your best teacher. You don't need special topics. Just talk about what you already do.
So now think again. What do you do in the first 10 minutes after you wake up? Try to say it in English.
Even if it's simple, I wake up, I check my phone, I brush my teeth. That's already a great start.
And remember, it's okay to pause. That's natural. Don't rush yourself.
In the next part, we'll continue your morning routine at home. Breakfast, cleaning, maybe some small habits.
Yeah, and we'll help you describe everything clearly, step by step. So stay with us, okay? Okay, so we talked about the first minutes after waking up. Now let's continue your morning routine at home. What comes next?
Yeah, usually after the bathroom, people go to the kitchen, right? Maybe they make coffee or prepare a simple breakfast.
Exactly. So you can say, after that, I go to the kitchen and make coffee. Repeat after me, slowly.
After that, I go to the kitchen and make coffee. Nice. Again, after that, I go to the kitchen and make coffee.
What about you? Do you drink coffee, tea, or maybe just water in the morning? Think about your answer.
Try to say it in English.
In the morning, I drink. Go on. Finish the sentence with your real habit.
For example, in the morning, I drink coffee because I feel sleepy. That's simple, but very real.
Yeah, and again we use because. It helps explain your feeling. That makes your sentence more complete. Repeat after me. In the morning, I drink coffee because I feel sleepy. Good. And again, slowly.
Hmm. Zara, what do you usually eat for breakfast at home?
Well, actually, I eat something light. I usually have toast and eggs and sometimes fruit. It's simple, but I enjoy it.
That sounds nice, simple, and healthy. So you can say, I have toast and eggs for breakfast. Very clear and easy.
Repeat after me. I have toast and eggs for breakfast. Good. One more time. Nice and slow. And if you don't eat breakfast, that's okay too. You can say, I don't eat breakfast. I just drink coffee.
Yes, very important. Your routine is your routine. There is no right or wrong. Just describe your real life.
Let's practice that sentence. Repeat after me. I don't eat breakfast. I just drink coffee. Nice. Again.
Now here's a small question. Do you eat alone or with family? This can help you add more detail.
Yeah, you can say, I eat breakfast alone, or I eat breakfast with my family. Both are very useful sentences.
Repeat after me. I eat breakfast with my family. Great. And now I eat breakfast alone. Perfect.
You know, adding small details like this makes your English feel more natural and personal.
Right. It's not just actions, it's your life. That's what makes speaking interesting, even with simple words.
Okay, after breakfast, what do people usually do at home? Maybe cleaning or getting ready for the day?
Yes, so you can say, after breakfast, I clean my room. Very simple, very common.
Repeat after me. After breakfast, I clean my room. Good. And again, slowly.
After breakfast, I clean my room. Nice. That's a very clear routine sentence.
Or maybe you say, after breakfast, I take a shower. That's also very common at home.
Repeat after me. After breakfast, I take a shower. Great. And again, slowly.
Zara, what do you usually clean your room? Be honest.
Not every day. I clean it maybe 2 or 3 times a week, but I try to keep it tidy.
That's realistic. You can say, I don't clean every day, but I try to keep things tidy. That's a great natural sentence.
Repeat after me. I don't clean every day, but I try to keep things tidy. Good. And again.
Now let's build a bigger morning story together. Listen carefully, connect everything step by step.
I wake up at 7. I check my phone. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, I go to the kitchen and make coffee. I have breakfast, then I clean my room.
Wow, that already sounds like a real daily routine at home. Simple, but complete and easy to understand.
Now you try. Say it with us, slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Just follow the flow.
I wake up at 7. I check my phone. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. I have breakfast. I clean my room. Nice job.
Can you feel it? Your English is growing. Step by step, your routine is becoming a story.
Yeah, and that's the goal. Not just words, but a full picture of your daily life at home.
In the next part, we'll move into the late morning and afternoon at home, maybe work, study, or relaxing.
And we'll keep everything simple and clear, just like this. So stay with us. You're doing great.
Okay, so now your morning routine is clear. Let's move into the late morning and afternoon at home.
Yeah, this part is interesting because everyone's day is different here. Some people work from home, others study, or just relax.
So let me ask you, what do you usually do at home in the late morning? Think about your real life.
Maybe you say, I work or I study. That's good. but let's make it a little more detailed and natural.
For example, you can say, in the late morning, I start working at home. Repeat after me, slowly.
In the late morning, I start working at home. Good. And again, in the late morning, I start working at home.
Tom, what about you? Do you usually work in the late morning or do you do something else?
Well, I usually start working around 9, and I sit at my desk and check my tasks for the day.
That's great. You can say, I sit at my desk and check my tasks. That's a very useful sentence.
Repeat after me. I sit at my desk and check my tasks. Good. And again, slowly.
You know, even simple work actions are perfect practice. You don't need special vocabulary. Just describe what you really do.
Exactly. And if you feel tired, you can say that too. For example, I feel a little tired, so I take a short break.
Repeat after me. I feel a little tired, so I take a short break. Nice. And again.
Now let's talk about breaks. What do you do during a break at home? Maybe drink water, walk around, or check your phone.
You can say, I take a break and drink some water. Very simple and healthy too.
Repeat after me. I take a break and drink some water. Good. One more time.
Or, I take a break and watch a short video. That's also very common at home.
Yeah. Repeat after me. I take a break and watch a short video. Nice and clear.
Here's a small question. Do you enjoy working or studying at home, or do you feel bored sometimes?
Try to answer in English. I feel blank because blank. Go on. Fill the sentence with your real feeling.
For example, I feel relaxed because I am at home. That's a very positive and calm sentence.
Or, I feel bored because I stay at home all day. Also very real and honest.
Repeat after me. I feel relaxed because I am at home. And now, I feel bored because I stay at home all day.
Zara, do you ever feel bored when you stay at home for too long?
Well, sometimes yes. If I don't go outside for many days, I feel a little bored and low.
That's very relatable. You can say, I feel bored when I stay at home for too long. That's a great sentence.
Repeat after me. I feel bored when I stay at home for too long. Good. And again.
Okay, now let's move to lunchtime. This is an important part of your daily routine at home.
Yes, you can say, at noon, I have lunch at home. Very simple and very common.
Repeat after me. At noon, I have lunch at home. Nice. And again, slowly.
And you can add what you eat. For example, I have rice and vegetables, or anything you like.
Yeah, food is always a good topic. It's easy and everyone can talk about it.
Repeat after me. I have lunch at home and I eat simple food. Good. One more time.
After lunch, what do you do? Maybe rest or go back to work or study, right?
Exactly. So you can say, after lunch, I relax for a while. Very natural and common.
Repeat after me. After lunch, I relax for a while. Good. And again.
Or, after lunch, I go back to work. That's also very clear and useful.
Repeat after me. After lunch, I go back to work. Nice. And again.
Okay, let's build your afternoon story now. Listen carefully. Connect everything step by step.
In the late morning, I start working at home. I sit at my desk and check my tasks.
I take a short break and drink water. At noon, I have lunch at home.
After lunch, I relax for a while. Then I go back to work. That sounds very complete and natural.
Now you try. Say it with us, slowly. Feel the rhythm of your day.
In the late morning, I start working. I sit at my desk and check my tasks.
I take a break. I drink water. I have lunch. I relax. Beautiful. You're doing great.
Your routine is now becoming a full story. Morning and afternoon are clear.
In the next part, we'll move into the evening at home. relaxing, hobbies, and quiet time.
Yeah, and that's where your emotions often come out more, so stay with us, okay?
Okay, so now we reach the final part, the night, and also the end of your full daily routine at home.
Yeah, and honestly, this is where everything comes together. Morning, afternoon, evening, and now the quiet ending of your day.
So let me ask you, what do you usually do at night before you sleep? Think about your real routine.
Maybe you brush your teeth, change clothes, or lie in bed and look at your phone. Very simple, very normal actions.
Right, so you can say, at night, I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. Repeat after me, slowly.
At night, I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. Good, and again, nice and clear.
Then you can add, I go to bed at 10, or any time that is true for you.
Repeat after me. I go to bed at 10. Great, and again, I go to bed at 10.
Sometimes we try to sleep, but it's not easy, right? Your mind is still thinking about the day.
Yeah, that happens to many people. You can say, I try to sleep, but I can't sleep quickly.
Repeat after me. I try to sleep, but I can't sleep quickly. Good. And again.
And you can also describe your feeling. At night, I feel tired, but my mind is busy. Very real.
Repeat after me. At night, I feel tired, but my mind is busy. Nice. One more time.
Now think about your night. Do you feel calm, tired, happy, or stressed before sleep?
Try to say it in English. At night, I feel because. Go on. Complete the sentence.
For example, at night I feel calm because I am at home. That's peaceful and simple.
Or I feel tired because I worked all day. Also very natural and easy to say.
You know, this part is important because it shows your emotion, not just your actions.
Exactly. And when you add feelings, your English sounds more human, more real, more connected.
Okay, now this is your transformation moment. Let's build your full daily routine at home, from morning to night.
Listen carefully. I wake up at 7, I check my phone, then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, I go to the kitchen and make coffee. I have breakfast and clean my room.
In the late morning, I start working at home. I sit at my desk and check my tasks.
I take a break and drink water. At noon, I have lunch at home. After lunch, I relax.
In the evening, I relax at home. I watch TV and cook dinner. After dinner, I check my phone.
At night, I brush my teeth, go to bed, and feel calm. Wow, that's a full, clear routine.
Now, take a deep breath and try to say your own version, slowly, with your real life.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Even if it's simple, it's powerful because it is yours.
How do you feel now? Maybe more confident? Maybe a little proud? You should be. This is real progress.
Yeah, you didn't just learn words today. You learned how to talk about your life in English.
So here's your challenge. Tonight, before you sleep, say your full daily routine out loud.
Even 5 minutes is enough. Just repeat your day, morning to night, again and again.
And here's a question for you. What is your favorite part of your day at home?
Try to answer in the comments. Write 1 or 2 sentences in English. We really want to read your answers.
And if this helped you today, just imagine what 30 days of practice can do for your confidence.
Yeah, small steps every day can change everything. You just need to keep going, slowly but consistently.
Thank you so much for being here with us. Really, we're happy you spent this time learning with us.
Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode with more real, simple English.
Bye for now, and remember, your daily life is your best English practice.